Kenny got ball. Kenny got ball.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to install this wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to quickly install this very bouncy, beautiful looking wig. So as you can see, this wig has a lot of bounce and coils to it, which I'm actually loving. And putting on the wig didn't take me much time because I didn't use the Got to Be Good gel. You're gonna see what I use in the video, but it didn't take time to put it on, seriously. So from the package, you'll see it has this like tight looking coils that are short, but when you put it on, you can loosen up the coils a little bit. If you want it to have more coils, you can spray water on it and just comb it out with your fingers and it will form more coils if you want. But if you want to have like a more fuller look, you just right from the pack, you just loosen it with your fingers. But before you do that, you make sure you apply your heat protectant oil, like your serum, your hair serum, so that it will not tangle or it will not shed, so I'm actually loving this wig. And in case if you're wondering, this wig is from Westkiss hair company. I'm gonna put the links and everything that has to do with this wig in the description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the wig. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. And this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, it came with a very tight coils. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation on the wig. Since I'm not bleaching the lace parts, I'm going to apply my foundation on it to give it a more natural look. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting out the spare lace in front. After cutting out the spare lace in front, I'm going to apply my bare head spray on my edges. I'm applying it on my edges because when I want to take it off, I'm going to spray water on my hair, on my edges to take it off. You make sure you don't just take it off without spraying water. Then I'm going to dry it a little bit with my blow dryer. And now I'm going to place the wig. Now I'll be tying a scarf to let it sit for a few minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and take out the scarf. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and, work on the pattern a little bit. And then I'm going to apply my concealer on the pattern area to give it a more natural look. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs. This is totally optional. You don't have to do it. And then I'll tie a scarf on it for a little bit, and then I'm going to take off the scarf. So right here, I'm going to apply my heat protectant serum. And then I'm going to comb it out. As you guys can see, the coils are forming. So I decided to start spraying water on it as well. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just going to use my hot comb to lay the pattern area a little bit. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. It looks so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.